Let's talk about a grammar topic that you need to know about that doesn't get much attention. Compound nouns. What are compound nouns, you ask? Basically, it's very simple. It's a noun that's made up of two nouns, where the first noun acts like an adjective. Now, you probably already know a few compound nouns. Let me show you. What is this? That's right, it's a paintbrush. What is this? That's right, it's a coffee cup. So we take the noun coffee and the noun cup and we make a compound noun, coffee cup. The word coffee describes the cup. It's a cup for coffee, it's a coffee cup. Now let's look at two more examples with a plural form. What are these? They are nail clippers. Not nails clippers, not clippers of nails, but nail clippers. So we pluralize the second word, we put an S on the end. But the first word, we leave it alone. Nail. They're nail clippers. One more. What are these? They are earphones. We can also call them earbuds. Let's practice. Let's make some of our own compound nouns. What we have to do is take four nouns on this side and four nouns on this side and see what nouns we can make when we put them together. Okay, so we've got restaurant, car park, manager, and garden, and kitchen, river, hotel, and community. Could we have a restaurant kitchen? Yeah, we could have a restaurant kitchen. That would be a kitchen in a restaurant. Notice that it's not the restaurant's kitchen. The first word does not need an S. It's the restaurant kitchen. Okay, could we have a car park kitchen? Well, I suppose we could. That would be a kitchen in a car park. A strange concept, but maybe you're in a van and you're making food in the car park. It's possible. That's the great thing about compound nouns. You can put almost whatever you want together, and as long as it makes sense and it's logical, then you can have that compound noun. Okay, let's have a look at another one. What about a community garden? Yes, we can have a community garden. In other languages, Latin languages like French, Portuguese, Spanish, you might say the garden of the community. And if you're speaking English, sometimes you might be tempted to say the community's garden, because the garden belongs to the community. But generally in English, we use compound nouns, so it's just the community garden. And if you have two of these gardens, then you say the community gardens. What about hotel? Can we have a hotel restaurant? Yeah, definitely. What about a restaurant hotel? That would be like a hotel that's just full of restaurants. Nah, it doesn't really exist. A hotel car park? Absolutely. A hotel's car park? No. A hotel manager? Yeah, that's a job. The hotel manager. Not the hotel's manager, but a hotel manager. I think you're starting to get it. How about a river restaurant? That would be like a restaurant that is on the river. Yeah, a river restaurant. Why not? A river car park. Absolutely. A car park that's on the river. A car park river. No, that doesn't really make sense. That would be a river that's full of car park. No. And a final one, maybe we could even have a kitchen garden. That would be a garden that's full of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, things that you could use in the kitchen. You would call that a kitchen garden. Now that you know about compound nouns, you'll start seeing them everywhere. You already use them all the time. Software, sunrise, steak knife, butter knife, toothpaste, cell phone, toilet paper, the list goes on and on. Guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, it would be a really great help for me if you could share it on Facebook. particularly in groups like language groups and things like that if you think it could help some people out. And of course, like, subscribe, and comment down below with any other compound nouns that you can think of. My name is Jesse, this is English Absorbed, and I'll see you in the next one.